Now, don't get me wrong, it is already very windy across central Iowa. However, I do want to let you know that things are going to get even stronger with those winds as we head into the overnight hours tonight. Looks like the wind has already taken someone's empty water gallon and an empty Amazon box as well. In all seriousness, though, those winds are going to be very strong overnight. Talking wind gusts across central Iowa, upwards of 50, maybe even 55 miles per hour in a couple of locations. So, small tree limbs are going to be coming down overnight, especially ones that are maybe on a little bit of a weaker tree. You're going to have a lot of sticks and leaves in your yard tomorrow morning. And then we're also talking about a wind out of the west that is that strong. So, if you are driving south to north, or north to south, that wind out of the west is going to be lashing right across your vehicle. So, our best advice is keeping two hands on the wheel because as you're driving with that strong of a wind out of the west, it's going to be enough to kind of whip your vehicle around just a little bit.